Tim Marshall, Prisoners of Geography, 10 Maps That Explain Everything About the World. The world is a vast and complex arena, shaped by the geographical features of its continents and countries. Prisoners of Geography, 10 Maps That Explain Everything About the World, by Tim Marshall dives into the intriguing realm of geography, revealing how it affects global politics and power dynamics. The book's summary delineates the dramatic impact geography has on countries such as Russia, China, the United States, and others. It scrutinizes how factors like land features, strategic location, and climate shape the course of history and define the power struggles among countries. This captivating journey gives readers a new perspective on the world's political landscape.
Putin's pizza slice dilemma. Russia's president, Vladimir Putin, worries about a particular slice of land that resembles a pizza slice. This area is part of the North European Plain, which extends from France across Belgium, the Netherlands, northern Germany, Poland, and ends at the Russian Urals. Any country within the North European Plain could send an army across the flatlands and directly into Moscow. Germany took this path during both World Wars, and invaders from the Northern European Plain have attacked Russia an average of once every 33 years since 1812. For generations now, Russia has controlled Poland and all the Baltic states, including Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and Belarus, which make up the meat of that pizza slice. The Baltic states are likely to continue having a rough go of it as Russia stations a strong defensive front here to more easily hold off potential Western invaders. China's strategic motives in occupying Tibet. Tibet is at the center of China and India's strategic tensions. Positioned between the world's two most populous countries, Tibet is crucial in terms of defense and resource control. China occupies Tibet because it is a crucial buffer zone that could protect them from India's potential invasion. Moreover, Tibet is the source of China's 3 significant rivers, and losing it would mean losing access to vital natural resources. Thus, the Chinese government is willing to continue its oppressive rule over Tibet to guard its strategic position. Despite numerous pleas, China refuses to let go of Tibet, and it seems unlikely that it will change its stance anytime soon. United States, a trusted real estate property. According to its topography and security measures, the United States is considered the most coveted property globally. Unlike other countries, territorial invasion is not a major worry. The United States' geography is unique, situated between the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, its only neighbors being Canada and Mexico. In the case of an invasion, the attackers would have to overcome daunting barriers, such as dangerous and volatile oceans and long supply lines across enormous territories. One of the notable features of this unique defense system is the legal right to possess guns. The leniency of gun laws implies that every citizen is armed, thus ready to fight in case of an external threat. This book's summary indicates that real estate agents would consider the United States top on their list of properties because of its unparalleled security measures, peaceful neighbors, and unmatched natural boundaries. Europe's geography and economic divide. Europe's temperate climate, rainfall, fertile soil have contributed to its economic success and influenced the divide between northern and southern European countries. The Northern European Plain provided the North with fertile soil and productive crops, leading to bustling cities of commerce and strong economies. In contrast, Southern Europe has far less arable land, limiting agricultural exports and access to major cities of commerce. The Eurozone crisis highlighted this divide, with nasty stereotypes portraying Northern Europeans as hard workers and Southern Europeans as lazy slackers. The true reason for the struggles of some Southern European countries lies in geography, not work ethic. Greece, for example, lacks the fertile land to be a major exporter and can only develop a small handful of major cities. Geography still remains a significant factor in the well-being and political future of Southern European nations like Greece. Africa's waterway challenges. Africa's geographical landscape poses a challenge for trade and transportation due to its smooth and shallow coastlines and spectacular rivers. The impracticality of these waterways has limited contact between different regions of the continent and hindered its economic development. However, through human ingenuity, partnerships with China, and sheer brute force, Africa is finding ways to create man-made deep-water harbors to import and export goods. Although the continent still faces many challenges in terms of trade, steps are being taken towards overcoming these obstacles. South Korea's vulnerability to North Korea. Despite having a larger population and stronger economy, South Korea faces vulnerability to North Korea due to geography. North Korea's hills and elevated terrain near the border house an estimated 10,000 weapons that could easily strike Seoul, South Korea's capital, within 60 minutes. The flat land between the two countries also poses a threat, as a surprise attack from North Korea could quickly reach the heart of Seoul. These geographical factors have created a political deadlock that has lasted for over 50 years.
Through engaging narratives, Prisoners of Geography illustrates the undeniable importance of geography in world affairs. From Russia's fears about the North European plain, China's strategic occupation of Tibet, to the advantages the United States holds due to its oceans and insurmountable geographic features, no country is exempt from the challenges and opportunities geography presents. The book also sheds light on the uneven development in Europe, Africa's geographic constraints hampering progress, and the deadlock between North and South Korea. The takeaways from this book summary are not only informative but also provide readers with a fresh insight into our world's intricate layers, granting us a better understanding of the role geography plays in global politics and development.